Good morning, friends. Today's class is cookies using servlets. Cookies are used to store the data in the client side. Whenever we are storing the cookies, there is some time limit. That may be 1 minute, that may be 10 minutes, that may be duration. But sometimes we are unable to store the cookies also because the user may restrict for storing the cookies. These are the some important points regarding cookies. But whenever we are using servlets for storing cookies, we need some important points. Observe carefully. See, one point by point I'm repeating. Cookies are used to store the data. Second point, cookies are used to store the data in the client side. Whenever we are storing the cookies in the servlets or JSP, we need to create cookie class object, and it takes two arguments. One is name of the cookie, second one is value of the cookie. After creating the cookie object, we need to add the cookie by using add cookie method. We need to call this particular method through the response object. That is nothing but first step we need to create the cookie. Second step we need to add the cookie. Add cookie is a method used to add the cookie. Response dot add cookie method used to add the cookie. Here the same thing I'm repeating. After creating the cookie object, we need to add the cookie through the response object. Response dot add cookie add. Okay, next step, to retrieve cookies we need to create cookie of arrays, because we don't know how many number of cookies are created. If one cookie or it may be any number of cookies, we need to create cookie array object. Get cookies is a method used to retrieve all the cookies. Get cookies is a method used to retrieve all cookies. And example, get cookies we need to call the request object. And this is the one of the important interview question. Response object is used to add the cookies. Request object it is used to get the cookies. Response object used to add the cookies. Request object it is used to get the cookies. And one more important point we need to know here. One more example. Once again, I'm opening one more slide. Get value is a method used to get the value of the cookie. Get name is a method used to get the name of the method. Similar way, get max age is a method used to return the lifetime of the method. Set max age is a method used to set the age of the cookie, lifetime of the cookie. It takes one argument, that is in terms of seconds. Now we'll see one more example using cookies. Once again, using cookies, some simple example, storing and retrieving cookies. Assume here I have certain program, certain HTML page. It is redirecting to this particular servlet. Here, within this particular servlet, here I created, first of all, here I'm retrieving the name of that particular parameter. Here, username I'm retrieving, this username I'm retrieving here. Using get parameter method, I'm retrieving here username that is stored into n. After this thing, after storing the username, I created an array. I created a cookie space ck. Ck is an object. New cookie, it takes username and n value. N is the value of the cookie. Uname is the name of the cookie. Now response dot add cookie. These two steps are important. Very, very important. These two steps. Creating the cookie, adding the cookie. After this, again I am redirecting to the next page, servlet 2, next page, next program. If you are going for the next program, in this program, I'm retrieving the cookies. Cookie, I created cookie array, request dot get cookies. Directly I'm printing ck of 0 dot get value. That is nothing but first cookie value I am retrieving directly. First cookie value I am retrieving, I am displaying that particular value. And only two important points: how to store the cookies, how to retrieve the cookies. Here, for storing the cookies, we need to use these two steps: create the cookie array, create the cookie object, response.add cookie method used to add the cookies. Similar way, create the cookie array, request.getCookies method used to get the cookies, and by that you can use getValue, getName method. Both are used to get the value of the cookie as well as get name of the cookie. This is the important, and one more important points are the differences between sessions and cookies are: sessions are used to store the data. Both are used to store the data, but sessions are used to store the data in the client side. Cookies are used to store the data in the server side. There is no limit for storing the sessions, but there is a limit for storing the cookies. And one more point, there is no time limit for the sessions. There is a time limit for the cookies. Next point is sessions are more secure than cookies. And now next important point, cookies are less secure. These are the important points. Thank you. By next class, we'll see database connectivity programs. Thank you.